today we are going to see a C++ program for the implementation of queue. So what is queue? Queues and data type. It can be implemented with the linked list or with the help of array. So in this program we will be using array. So for this we have declared one array of name q of size max, and the size max is equals to 3. We have declared it globally. We have declared two variables name as item and temp, and we have declared two variables as rear and front, and we have initialized it as -1. Both this rear and front are global variable. For q we will be using three functions: insert, delete and display. For insert we will be inserting elements, and for delete we will be deleting, and for the display we will be displaying. So first of all we will see the insert function. So we have declared int isq insert function and one parameter as int item. So inside insert function we have given if rear is equals to max -1. So the size of max is 3. If rear equals to -1, it will say queue overflow. Queue overflow means queue is full. Else it will execute the next part, says if front is equals to -1, it will increment front is equals to front plus 1, and it will increment the rear also to +1, and it will store the value of item into queue of rear, and it will show the inserted item is as queue of rear, and cout handle means it will be going to next line. Next we will be seeing the delete function. So we have declared while delete function as desq, and inside delete function we have given condition as if rear is equals to -1, queue is empty, means queue underflow, nothing is there in the queue. Else if rear is equals to front, it will go inside the deleted item is queue of front, then again it will go to next line, then we will initialize the value of front is equals to 0 and rear is equals to -1. Else it will say directly the deleted item is queue of front handle, and it will increment the value of front to +1. Then the next is display unit. For the display unit we have given condition as if front is equals to -1, queue is empty, means nothing is there inside the queue. Next is else. For this else we are using the use of that global temporary variable as temp. So we will be storing the front values inside temp, and we will be giving the cout as the elements are queue up temp. Then we will be using one while loop to show the elements present inside. So the while loop says if temp is not equals to rear, it will print queue of temp, and at last we will be incrementing the size of temp by +1. And here comes the main function. Inside main function we have declared one variable as ch for the choice, and we are using while loop so that it will be running repeatedly. So we have given one menu: 1 for insert, 2nd for delete, 3 for display, and 4 for exit. So we have declared one as so we will be taking the scene as scene ch for the above menu. Then according to it will go inside the switch statement, and it will execute. For first case, enter the element inserted, and the item will be passed for the insert function. Second case is delete function, third case is display function, and the fourth case is exit function. So now let's see how this program runs. So we are inserting one item, so we will giving the choices 1. So enter the element to be inserted 1. Again we will be inserting one element, so enter the element to be inserted 2nd. Enter your choice first, then enter the element to be inserted 3. Then enter one more time, insert, enter the element to be inserted 12. So it's saying queue overflow, means the queue is full. Now we'll display the elements. So the elements are 2, 1, 2, 3. Now we'll delete the element as 2. Now we'll be again displaying. So it's saying the elements are 2 and 3. Again we will be deleting the item, so the deleted item is 2, and again we will be displaying, so the elements are 3. So this program is successfully run. Now let's move to the next problem, that is circular queue. For circular queue everything is same, only the main difference is inside the insert function we are giving one condition as if front is equals to 0 and rear is equals to max -1, or front is equals to rear +1, then it will say queue overflow. Rest is same, everything. So again we will execute this function also, execute this program also with that. So now let's see what is output. In circular queue there is no limit for adding. We can delete and we can add, and it follows first in first out algorithm. So first element added will be deleted first. So now let's see, we'll be inserting first, enter the element to be inserted, 1, again insert 2, again 1, 3, again 1, 4. Now we'll be displaying the elements because it's at queue overflow. So 3, the elements are 1, 2, 3. Now we'll be deleting 2 elements. So the deleted item is 1 and next choice is 2, again we'll delete item. So deleted item is 3. Now again we'll display the elements are 3. Now again we'll try to add it. Just because it's circular queue, it will give us the priority to add. Okay, it's asking for the element to be inserted, 11. Okay, now again we'll be displaying. So the elements are 3 and 11. Means this program is successfully run and this output is also verified. Thank you for watching.